students, welcome to my YouTube channel I Teach Maths. Today we are going to analyze the Samachi 10th Standard Mathematics question paper for English medium students. Let's go ahead and analyze it. Let's look into the pattern of our question paper. Our question paper consists of 1 mark question, 2 mark questions, 5 mark questions and 8 mark question. Question number 1 to 14 are 1 mark questions and it is of multiple choice type. The 2 mark question is from 15 to 28. Question number 28 is compulsory. A student has to write 10 questions out of the given 14 questions, choosing the 28th question which is compulsory. When we go into the 5 mark question, the question number 29 to 42 are 5 mark question, where question number 42 is compulsory. A student has to answer 10 questions from the 14 question, including the compulsory question number 42. Now let us go into the 8 mark question. It is question number 43 and 44. 43 is a geometry question and 44 is a graph question. Each question has internal choices and a student has to choose one from them. Let us go into the design of the 10th standard maths question paper. A maths textbook of the 10th standard has 8 chapters. The first chapter is relation and function. The second one, numbers and sequences. The third, algebra. The fourth, geometry. The fifth, coordinate geometry. The sixth, trigonometry. The seventh, mensuration. And the last is statistics and probability. Now, let us go in detail with the distribution of the 1 mark questions. Now, we see that in the first chapter, we have 2 questions, out of which one is from the text and one is a created question. The second chapter has 2 questions from the text. The third has 2 questions from the text. The fourth chapter has 1 from the text. The fifth chapter has 1 plus 1 created question. The sixth chapter has 1 and the seventh chapter has 1 plus 1 created question. The 8th chapter has 2 questions. Now, let us go into the distribution of 2 mark questions. We see the first chapter has 2 questions with 1 from the text and 1 created. The second chapter has 2 from the text. The third one, 3 from the text. The fourth one, 1 from the text. The fifth one is a created question. The 6th chapter has 2 questions. The 7th one has 1 question and the 8th chapter has 2 questions, 1 from the text and 1 created. Now let us go into the 5 mark question distribution. The first chapter has 2 questions from the text. The second, 2 questions from the text. The third one, 3 questions, out of which 1 is created. The fourth one has 1 from the text. The fifth one, 1 from the text. The sixth one, 1 from the text. And the seventh one, 2, 1 from the text and 1 created. The 8th chapter has 2 questions, 1 from the text and 1 created. Now, let us go into the 43rd question, which is practical geometry. It is question number 43 and it has 2 options A and B, out of which A is a practical geometry question and sometimes B turns out to be an exercise sum from the chapter 4. Now let us go into the question number 44. It is from the chapter algebra, which has 2 options A and B and it is a graphical question. Recommendation of topics for students. To clear the examination, a student has to learn the first chapter and 8th chapter thoroughly. He has to learn the BPT theorem and Pythagoras theorem together with the practical geometry and graph. He has to be sure with the book back one words, and he has to learn the topic on matrices from the 3rd chapter. To score more than 75% of marks, a student has to concentrate more on the first chapter, 2nd, 5th, 7th and 8th chapter, theorems and practical geometry and graph. He has to be sure with his book back one words, and he has to learn the topic on matrices from the 3rd chapter. To secure centum on max, a student has to learn the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and from the 4th chapter he has to learn all his theorems, and the 5th chapter, 7th chapter and 8th chapter. He has to know his geometry and graph portions thoroughly. He must be sure with his one words, progressive check and thinking corner. He must learn all the definitions from all the chapters. I hope students, you have understood the design of the question paper. So all the best. Kindly like and subscribe.